a very, very quick one. Because here I'm the very, very important. And it is for the benefit and interest of Ndimo. Ehona, in every parastatal agency and ministry of the government, state government, not federal government, there are certain positions that are reserved for Ndenwoyo, for Ndenwe the state, for Ndenwu indigenes. This is not about federal character. When we talk about federal character, we are talking of Nderogana Federal Ministry of Health, Federal Ministry of Education, Federal Ministry of Justice, Federal Ministry of this and Federal Ministry of that, and parastatal of the federal government. But when we talk of the state, there are certain positions that cannot be given to an outsider. Onyela Imo can work as a civil servant, no problem. But Oru Hanani here basara head of service. Here basara attorney general. Here basara accountant general. Here basara solicitor general. Here basara chief justice or chief judge of the state. Imo, as far as Imo state is concerned, Imo when Dimo when and then for outside. And then this is not about your one Nigeria or not your one Nigeria. This is about the statutory requirement of a state-established ministry, parastatal, or agency. It is in the law. It is in the law. Oh, no, no, no. So, Nkaburo, no Onyimo, for instance, in Ambagugu, Nigeria, Mobagana Bronu, Onyimo Aworo, Chief Judge in the Bronu. Onyimo Aboro, Attorney General, Nda Taraba. Onyimo Aboro, Solicitor General, Nde Cross River. Nde Calabar. Anambra. Hello. There are positions that are reserved for Ndenwe Bay. And when we say, give us Ihe Rulani, it is not about ethnicity. It is not about tribalism. It is not about, this person is being this or being that, or this person does not believe in the policy of one Nigeria. No! So what am I saying? The government of Imo State should look into the parastatals and agencies from the Ministry of Justice to Judiciary to Education to Science and Technology to every other parastatals and agencies in Imo State. Hold that those positions that are reserved for Ndimo or Ndimo ne. Government Imo State ileba anya. Like Otanachi Chief Judge Imo State now. NJC enyeli iwu now. Say no, the most senior judge. Gaurela the Chief Judge of Imo State. And that is the law. So teaching state Imo ge eleba anya na the Chief Judge is in Imo State, of course, hanile wuchandi Imo. Sheba where the most senior nime hanile meye Chief Judge. Ghana Ministry of Justice Nyanyi Attorney General Imo. Nyanyi Solicitor General Imo. Head of Service Imo. Accountant General Imo. Here who position Nyanyi. So what to now? You cannot say no so far. You are talking as if you are not in one Nigeria. This is not about one Nigeria. This is about Nkemu Nkanyi. Nkemu Imo, Nkani Nigeria. I want you to understand it. So we cannot stay in Imo State. Position and these things are not. You are tampering with nature. You are tampering with nature because give appointment. Question rule and Imo. Which means in that state and when near two places. Yes, that state and when near two places. For instance, now Bronu. Meranya Attorney General in Imo State. While the Bronu were Attorney General Bronu, which means the Bronu went two places. So for instance, now the governor of Imo State should look inwards. Because anya no na enwere ndị mba ọzọ ji position ụmụ Imo kwesịrị iji. Nwune nye anyị ihe rule anyị ho ha. Any position that is meant for Nwimo should be given to Nwimo. Anya na-eji position anya achọ ụtọ. Anya na-eji achọ ụtọ. Anya na-eji achọ ka anyị na-agere mma. This is our human right. It belongs to us. So give it to us. So ọchịchị steeti Imo to look into positions. Kwesịrị rule ndị Imo. Mana ma ọkwa ndị Imo jie. This is not about competence. It is not about this. It is about Imo the competent enough to occupy it. Because you cannot tell me that position ahụ onye mbaji na onweghị onye Imo the competent enough inwe ọwashi. Ọwashi. So Imo state government should look into mana judiciary mana everywhere lee positions ahụ ndị Imo kwesịrị ịnọ n'elu ihe, ndị Imo kwesịrị ịnọ n'ime ihe nye ya ndị Imo. O nwere onye na-awụghị onye Imo nọ ga-achị chụtuo ihe. It is our right. All right, it is not about whether you believe in one Nigeria or you don't believe in one Nigeria. It is our right. Anyị na-adọ ihe anyị. A na-eshi n'ụlọ ama mma afọ ama. Because ọ bụrụ n'obodo ha, they will not give you. The time we understand this, the earlier we understand this, the better for me and you. As ndị Imo. So, gịnị ka m na-ekwu? Ọchịchị steeti Imo. Look at the positions in all these ministries and parastatals and agencies. Nke ọbụla ruwele ndị Imo shi were enye ndị Imo. O nwere positions ndị Imo kwesịrị iwu ndị isi ihe. Positions ndị Imo kwesịrị ime occupy. By law. By law. I was a federal minister of this, federal minister of that, federal this, federal that, federal. Hey, anybody can occupy. Because that one is federal. And that is where we play federal character. But as far as Imo State is concerned, Biko, she will reposition Uruwele Ndimo. Thank you very much.